Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm trying to put this to a test. My garbage disposer just stopped working. You can see it does not bring any sand. So let's go to the main thing. So clear the area. Okay, clear it so you can have space to work with it. So the next thing you have to check, go under the main brain box of the dish disposer. So I believe everybody can see. So look for this button. So just press it. Did you hear the sound? Now let's go back and check if it's going to work now. Oh, can you hear the sound? Thank God. That's how you can save your money. So you can see